We got solar water heaters installation done here. We got solar water installed. Glass line model, 200-liter capacity. Installation has been completed here. So we have installed at roof sheets, 200-liter capacity.